Hello, Rehan.
Hi sir,
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking. Rehan, you are here for your final assessment after the 1 month spoken English course from Garja Digital Academy. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's start. What's your name?
My name is Rehan.
How old are you?
I am 14-year-old.
And where do you live?
I live in village Garja.
What's your father name?
My father name is Niaz Hussain.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Which class are you in, Rehan?
I am in class 9.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Rehan, can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride.
Oh, what do you do after school?
After school, I do my homework and play cricket with my brother.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like,
Why?
because English is a global language.
And what is your hobby?
My hobby is also cricket.
Can you tell me about your best friend?
Yes, my best friend name is Ali Hassan.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What do you want to become in future?
I want to become a doctor.
Okay. So, Rehan, I have asked question about the A1 level, which was expected answer was one sentence or two, and you answered very well. Now I am going to shift for your A2 assessment. So now my expectation of answer is 3 sentences minimum. So please tell me about your family.
My family has 5 members. First my father, second my mother, third me, fourth my sister, and fifth my brother.
And can you describe your school?
Yes, I can. My school name is City Education School System. It is built on Garja Road. It has 4 campuses. The director name is Sir Asif.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday. I sleep at 10 o'clock. I watch televisions and many other movies.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday. I slept at 10 o'clock. I played cricket with my brother and I went to market with my father.
What are your weekend activities?
On weekend, I slept late night and watched televisions and ate snacks. I play cricket with my brother and father. I go to markets with my father and enjoy.
Tell me about your favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher name is Miss Aisha. She is my English teacher. She explains lesson very well.
Describe your bedroom.
My bedroom is very small but nice. It is a table and bookshelf. Books are arranged in bookshelf. I love my bedroom.
Rehan, what do you do usually after your dinner?
After dinner, I complete my homework and watch television, and I talk to my family, and I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is also cricket, because cricket is very good for health and it circulates our blood, and it is a outdoor physical activity.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, last month July was my birthday. My family arranged the birthday surprise for me. My friend came my home and we ate pizzas together, and I enjoyed my last birthday.
What would you do in your summer vacations?
In summer vacations, we visit my parents, we visit my grandparents, and I complete my homework and explore many places.
Please describe your daily routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock, then I brush my teeth, I have breakfast, I go to school at 7 o'clock, my class starts at 9 o'clock, I eat lunch at 1 o'clock, I help my family, and I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Which one is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Eid, because people wear new clothes, and we saw and meet with friends and gave Eid to children.
How can we keep our city clean?
If we work together, our city is clean. We don't throw garbage on road. We must throw garbage on dustbins.
What do you want to do after finishing your school?
After finishing school, I want to join college and study science.
Please describe your dream house.
My dream house was very big and has a big garden. My dream house was very big and has a big garden. It has 4 rooms and 3 washrooms. It has 2 double story and it has 2 floors. I love my dream house.
मैं अभी किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I am reading the book.
मैं अपना काम मुकम्मल कर चुका हूँ.
I have completed my work.
मैं कल बाजार गया.
I went to bazaar yesterday.
मैं कल बाजार जा रहा था.
I was going to bazaar yesterday.